Good morning, student. In the previous video, we have discussed about the concept of goodwill, how we will calculate the goodwill by different method. Now, new topic is the new lesson, admission of partner. By name, it is clear when a new partner will enter into the firm. Now this process is called the admission of partner. When the new partner will come into the firm, now the profit sharing ratio will be changed to 1. Because after admission the new partner, what will be new ratio? So first we have to learn how we will calculate the new ratio. Secondly, when the partner will admitted into the new firm, in that case there will be requirement to make the revaluation of the goodwill of the firm. So we will learn how we will calculate the amount of goodwill. In previous lesson we have already learned, but here all method again we will discuss. And third, all the assets and liabilities will be revalued. So you have to require to make a revaluation account to know the real value of assets and liabilities. And also, whatever the accumulated profit and reserve are given in the firm, how they will be treated, this we will also see in this lesson. Beside this, if the capital of the new partner, how they will decide. Sometimes the new partner capital are decided on the basis of old partners, and it is also possible on the basis of new partner, old partners capital are decided. So like such a problem we will discuss in this lesson step by step. Like a fundamental, this is also a too much lengthy lesson, and so many practice are required from this lesson. So first we will see to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. How we will calculate the new ratio? Here is not given a definite method to calculate the new ratio. Now, according to question, what are the terms and conditions are given in the question? We have to calculate the new ratio. I will try to show the differences in the different method. But really there is not a definite pattern that in how many way you can calculate the new profit sharing ratio. This is depends on the terms and condition between the partners. So we will see from the question and try to understand this. Now you see question number 1, page number 3.145. In the question it is saying A and B are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3. Now A and B were partners C is admitted to the partnership for 1/4 share of future profit. So C is here new partner. So we can say A and B are the old partner. So old partner ratio we will call old ratio. So old ratio between A and B, that is given 5:3. And new partner ratio is given 1/4. And you have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So we can say this is the first pattern. This is the pattern 1. Here old ratio and new partner profit ratio is given. So all those questions where old ratio and new partner ratio is given, you will make the applicable. This is the pattern number 1. How we will calculate in this case? Here we always considered total profit equal 1. So always we considered total profit equal 1. Out of total profit, if you will give the new partner ratio profit, remaining profit is called rest of profit. So rest of profit is 1 minus new partner ratio. Like such, here new partner ratio is 1/4. So you will write 1 minus 1/4, that is 3/4. This is called rest of profit. This rest of profit will be distributed among the old partner in their old ratio, because new partner ratio is already decided 1/4. So new ratio, that will be rest of profit into old partners ratio. So this is the pattern 1 to calculate the ratio. Now in this question we will see how this pattern will be applicable. Now here we will write the total profit. So total profit always you will consider 1. Then you will calculate the rest of profit. So rest of profit. So rest of profit means total profit 1 minus new partner ratio. New partner C. New partner C. So C ratio is given 1/4. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 minus 1, 3/4. Now new ratio will be rest of profit into old ratio. So new ratio you will calculate for A. Rest of profit has come 3/4 and A old profit ratio 5:3. So this is called 5 plus 3 8. So A ratio will be 5/8 and B ratio will be 3/8. So A ratio will be 5/8. Now multiply 3 into 5, 15, and 4 into 8, 32. Now for B, that is the rest of profit 3 by 4, and B profit ratio is 3 by 8. So 3 by 4 into 3 by 8, 9 by 32. And C profit sharing ratio is the 1 by 4, but here you are seeing A denominator is 32, B denominator is 32, so C denominator you will convert into 32. So from which number we multiply, that here also come 32. So 4 8 ja 32. So you will multiply 8 by 8 here. If you will cancel, that will be no effect. So 8 1 ja 8 or 8 4 ja 32. Now here denominator of each partner is equal. So this is called new ratio. So new ratio A is to B is to C, that will come 15 is to 9 is to A. So this is called the new ratio. So this is the one pattern of solving the new profit sharing ratio. Thank you.